In today's sewing tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily tailor a winter coat. This coat is very baggy and it needed shape, so I'm just going to place two darts at the back of the coat. So I simply pinch the excess fabric and form it to a dart shape. So the waistline is going to be wider and it tapers as it goes out. And the dart is about 14 inches long total. So it's totally up to you really how long the dart needs to be, and I'm just going to mark it and stitch along where I placed the pins, and I will repeat the same on the other dart. I added button because I like my coat close because I easily get cold when it gets so windy, so I just want my coat secure. And this is the before and this is the after. It's a subtle difference, but the fit is way better. Now all I have to do is press the seams to make it look professional.